gas tank's real dirty inside, so I took the side blow off. Wonder how old that gasoline is there. That's kind of reverted back to crude oil. Smelly too. I don't think I'm gonna. I should put a can in there and catch that, so I thought I'd clean it. I got the carburetor off. Kind of dirty inside there. Choke shaft stuck. Throttle shaft stuck. Kind of take it apart. See what we got inside. So I had to find a special wrench to get that nut off in there. Well, at least it's not all rusty inside. Boy, nothing like tar. Clean other than that. I'll have to find out what it takes to get that tar off. And get it unstuck, cleaned up, we'll be ready to go. Yeah, I got the throttle plate loosened up. Took a little heat around here and there, and that's good. Now we just gotta get the choke loosened up. Them things are kind of warm. Try not to burn them too much. I did burn one time, just melted it down. Oh well. Alright, let her soak a while. Well, took about another 30 seconds. Yeah, it's moving inside there. Alright. I'll have to do some cleaning up now and put it back together. Alright, that's enough for now. Yeah, I think I'll have to use some chemical cleaner on that float, because I don't think it'll stand much heat with the torch. No, not much at all. Well, I got some of that tar loosened up with a little bit of heat. See how much we got here. I guess I done dumped it out already. Fairly decent. A little wire brush and it'll be alright. Yeah, I think we saved enough daylight already today. I'm about half tired. I've done enough already. Oh, I gotta go in and wash my hands. Don't want to get carburetor virus. Doggy says it's quitting time already too. Alright. She didn't even chase any bunny rabbits today. Get 'em. All cleaned out and put back together. Temporarily. The float's got a hole in it. And I'll try it, see where to run or not, before I'll go and buy a new float. Alright, that's enough for now. Good afternoon. March 10th, 2020. I'm going to try to start this old Farmall M. One I bought back December, down Tri-Green. Well, you seen I fixed the starter. Took the carburetor all apart, cleaned it all out. It might work. It's got a little hole in the float, so someday I'll have to get a new float. But I think I'm going to try it first. There, tires still hold air. I got spark. Got a coil over there out of a box of WD-45 parts. Put on there and got it all hooked up. And other than that, I guess it's time to put gas in and see what happens. Need to find a place to put this camera down. I found a spot, this old milk can. Look there. Merchants Dairy Company, Cincinnati, Ohio, 41. You reckon that can was made in 41? This tractor was made in 41. Oh, well, I was made in 44. I'm just a youngster. Come on. That might work. Alright. We either put some gas in it or on it. Oh, I don't know whether it's up in there or not. Yeah, let's put a little more in. Whoops. I don't think that float works too good. There's always one way to shut the gas off. Well, maybe I need a carburetor kit. Let's see what happens just for the heck of it. Turn on the ignition. No, nothing like having gas on the electricity. Let's get that a little further away. Well, tried. Yeah, maybe we need some more. Turn the gas back on. Boy, getting plenty of gas. Wonder which way the throttle's on or off. I guess it'll run. I better do some more carburetor work. Oh, what do we got? Anyhow, get plenty of gas. Too much. That darn thing hadn't been run for 50 years, I doubt it, the way it looked. Alright, that's enough for now. Oh, well, that's good enough. That's good enough. It'll run. Ain't too bad for $175 to get for this thing. Alright, I better put the tin can back on it. Next time you see this tractor, I'll have it running. I got gas tank out there in the school bus and a hood. I might even paint it. I know I got a good pair of tires that I give $1 for. I'll put them on the back. And hey, next time you see this thing, it'll be running and operating good, because it sounds like the motor might be alright. Just that little bit. Oh, okay, that's enough for now. Oh, there's a fellow keep asking me about starting up some VAC for him. Well, that old thing right there, that's a good running tractor. It was stuck and everything when I got it. Been in the barn for 30, 40 years. And I got it going. Way out there in the field is another VAC, a wide front. Bought it at sale. I drove it around some. It's still out there. There's one back there. Yeah, I did a video on it. Seen it running. And over in the semi-trailer is a VAC 14. I drove in there a few years ago. And over in the cow barn, there's a 42 or 3 or 4 VAC and a VAO and a VC, and they're all good little tractors. Well, one of these days I'll carry the battery out here and some gas and fire that up for you. Alright. Here's them dollar tires I'm going to put on that M. They got usable tread, kind of weather checked, but they'll hold air. Doggy's going out bunny hunting. Wonder why I put that cab on. Ought to fit something. Oh, yeah. Come up to Kenton, Ohio. This coming Saturday. Big consignment auction up there. I'll be shooting video for more auction results, whatever. Come around and say hello, and might even put you on YouTube if you want, or if you don't want. Alright, that's all. Kitty's been helping today.